Hello, my name is Stephanie Davies and I'm the Managing Director of Pimbrook Software. I'm here today to show you how to do e-payments to your suppliers from Sage 50, a feature that is not widely used but will save a lot of time. So first of all, we have our supplier. So if we pop in and we just edit this and have a look at the bank details, and you can see here we must ensure that the payment method is set up to be banks SEPA and your bank account details are present. You can either use the supplier payments from here or the supplier payments from your bank module. They're exactly the same, but it might make it easier to start from here. So what we do is we select our bank we're paying out of, we select our supplier, give it a date, ensure that we leave the reference here as BACS to fulfill the e-payment requirement, and we'll highlight one of our invoices and click on Pay in Full. We can do one or many, but just for the purpose of the demo, I'm going to stick to just one. I'm going to save that and close out of it. Next, I have to go to my e-payments. You will see here, here's my payment ready for processing. I'm going to click on Send. It's now asking me here for the reference. So I'm going to date the file and I'm going to put a reference on it, one I just copied, and it'll save it into a directory. You can specify the directory there. If there's any errors, it will pop them up for you here and it'll show you, so invalid or missing payee bank details, or the value must be in big format, etc. So any problems, it will show you. So I'm just saying to you here that this is the type of thing you may come across. But assuming there's no issues, it will create the file and you'll log on to your bank and you will upload it there. What you can also do is print your remittance advice. So you'll see here I have my office supplies and I'm going to click on to print. For the purpose of the demo, I'm just going to preview because there's no email on this machine, and I'm going to click run. And you'll see here that what the supplier will receive is a remittance advice from you. Now what we can do as part of that is we can put your logo up here and we can change any of the format that you wish to. Thank you.